What did I spend my gambling winnings on, you ask? Disneyland, of course. Let's go do a food review. The Poultry Palace. We have some coleslaw. I got Chipotle chicken, and it has ranch and barbecue. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not a big fan of coleslaw, but let's see what this is about. It's not a creamy coleslaw. It's good. Try this churro. Bomb. This is the third food item of the day. It's a cute little Mickey pretzel. Let's try it. Cheese, of course. It's a little dry. It's cute though. We have a flattened croissant cookie. So good. So good. This pretzel, garlic and cheese stuffed pretzel. Looks insane. I'm gonna do a little taste test here. Get a little marinara. Get out. So good. Miss Disney pickle. Cheers. It's life-changing.